烧着青春的余热，它从来不会放弃，照耀着我们行进。寒冬不经过这里，那只是迷雾的山林。走完苍老的石桥，感到潮湿的味道。翻过了青山，你说你看头顶斗笠的人们。海风拂过椰树，吹散一路的风尘。这里就像与闹市隔绝的又一个世界，让我们疲倦的身体在这里长久的停歇。身体在这里长久的停歇。厦门的时光是我们的时光，大海的波浪翻滚着我们的向往。山谷里何时会再传来我们的歌声？那一些欢笑已过去，那些往昔会铭记。我们的时光是无忧的时光，精彩的年月不会被什么改写。放纵的小雨时常回荡在我们耳旁，那些路上的脚印永远不会被掩藏。 的太阳，燃烧着青春的余热，它从来不会放弃，照耀着我们行进。寒冬不经过这里，那只是迷雾的山林。走完苍老的石桥，感到潮湿的味道。翻过了青山，你说你看头顶斗笠的人们，海风拂过椰树，吹散一路的风尘。这里就像与闹市隔绝的又一个世界，让我们疲倦的身体在这里。
Okay, hello, dear Homely members and investors. Very happy to see you again in today's live. This is MG from Homely Chat. So today is July 16, and this is Thursday. Okay. Sorry. Gonna share you today's live with you. Today we got a lot of cases here, so I will how to say straight to diagnosis. You'll share strictly. Oh, excuse me, because I still have some investor haven't received my message. So let me send their message now very soon. So many. Excuse me for why today is kind of busy. Okay, no problem. Later, actually, every time when I send you the link, actually you can just click to do to review. Just drag it back, then you can do. Okay, so today the first sentence I want to share with you is that, okay, the most important thing to invest is to avoid failure, or means that you can just say safeguard it. Okay, safeguard it. Make sure you are safe in the market first. Instead of seize every success, every opportunity. Okay, here you can just change a little bit. Every chance, because chance is always there. But if you don't know how to be safeguarded, avoid their failure or their correction, right? Then it's kind of hard for you to come back again, to start it over again. Because I also received some message from the investors say that, okay, these 2 days or these 3 days they got stuck or get stuck and missed how to say, lose money in some shares, for example the glove one, right? So actually if you know the method, you know the way how to take your profit in time or stop loss. I mean that if good share, before I also said you can chasing high, but if you don't know how to sell, better not, because you don't know when to exit, right? Okay, so we can, this is what I want to share with you, and we combine with your shares today. And before we start to diagnosis, this is disclaimer. So, you know, this video is for purely study and discussion. So any direct or indirect suggestions here is a purpose for case study or to show you the method. But any loss we are, how to say, reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay, this is today's sector. But before we check this one, we can take a look about the Dow Jones first. Okay, the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones. Okay, this is a Dow Jones. And yesterday, gap high, right? Gap high, but it fall back later. And we know that this Dow Jones is trying to fix this gap. Before we already shared island reversal. And now, actually, yesterday recovered a lot. But now, okay, the day before yesterday recovered a lot. And then when you go to recently, yesterday is almost reached this level, but here cannot say it's fully covered, right? It cannot say fully covered. Still need times to confirm. As we shared before, 3 days or 3% at least to confirm this breakout, to confirm this gap is filled, is recovered or not. And we can see that the profitable effect here. Okay, this red tips in the index is the profitable effect. It's not bankers. The profitable effect actually it's increased. Yesterday is 40. The day before yesterday is 46. Yesterday is 47. 1% increase actually is good for the market, right? Good for market. And I also you can take a look about the Tesla, because also got many people have this share. Yesterday, their share Tesla slightly increased 1.9% only. But okay, here what I want to share actually is about this yellow candle today. Of course, we need to also check the banker chips first, because it tells you it's strong or not, right? And Tesla, the banker chips more than around 93%, so still okay. But we can see here there is a yellow color. This is the overbought signal in this homeless affair. And it just kind of remind for you the market increased a lot. Overbought means that a lot of people, right? Extraordinary people bought this share, and they just go to a kind of overbought area. Once the overbought area finished, means that once the yellow candle finished, actually it kind of go to correction. Cannot say go to downtrend, maybe at least a correction in uptrend. So you can see Tesla on July 10 got this overbought. So we just can draw a line here, and we can see that if later the price break down this price area range of this overbought candle, it's kind of for correction starts. You need to be careful. Okay, so this is the one, but I will also compare with your share. From the first member, Mr. Lee Ko-sen, he want to diagnosis that 7047. And actually, he's a member, and he filled out this share before with the banker tips more than 75%. This day is July 10th. Okay, July 10th, and he's kind of a short-term, okay, short-term investor, not so long-term. But we can take a look. Okay, even we are short-term trader or short-term investor, we also need to check the whole view chart of this share to find the regularity. So when we take a look about the okay, let's say half yearly chart or quarterly chart of this 7047 Fatara Fatabaru, okay, Fatabaru, and we know that it's kind of okay, wave change a lot, right? So few quarters increase and then down kind of sideways here, and now it's another uptrend wave here. The bankers now is 26% in quarterly chart compared to previous quarter. Increased 7%. Not bad, right? Not bad. And okay, means that actually you got chance, but got chance means that you also need to see if it can here also got some resistance. Okay, also got some resistance if you just draw a line, and now the candlestick you just about to break out. Okay, actually already break out here. It's kind of a good sign. So then in daily chart, we can see, okay, the banker chips is around 82%. It's highly controlled by these bankers, okay, by looking at these red chips. Okay, and then we can see if you do short term, we of course need to check the chart. And before we also use rainbow to check this share already break out the white line. White line of a homely rainbow. This is a boundary of the if the boundary of the what bullish market and the bearish market. Okay, so actually this member filled out this share also because with the MCD bankers more than 75% this day. At that day, this share also break up the white line. So this pattern we also have shared before is stock bomb pattern. Okay, quite good one, right? Quite good one. So Okay, let us zoom out. Okay, so he bought this day, and his question is that, okay, I already see this overbought signal, then is it time for me to sell? Actually, I received some message from members. Okay, if you don't have this yellow candle, you go to this blue bottle in the right toolbar. If the chips is red color, is overbought. Okay, and we can see that it's overbought already, and we know that after this yellow overbought signal disappeared, it's a time to take a profit for short term because it will go to correction. This is yesterday's chart because he asked me last night. And we can take a look about today's chart, 7047 today. Okay, we can see actually this is a daily chart, and we can see today haven't break out. Okay, haven't break down. So means what? Still can hold another 7% here, right? Another 7%, quite good, right? So because if you draw in point line, if you drawing a signal, and you can find, okay, the high price is 36, and this is also the price he asked me that, okay, if the price break down this price area, actually if the price break down this low price is 35 cents. If you break down 35 cents, actually it's your time to take a short-term profit. Okay, this is also good time to judge if it's the overbought finished or not, but actually today didn't, right? This is yesterday's chart. I make it bigger. This is yesterday chart. Today it big breakout. Breakout means that the share keep strong, and you can see today the banker keep increasing. Now is 87%. Yesterday is 82%. Another 5%. Of course, still hold it, right? Still hold it. This is for short term. For those who do intraday, you go to the tick chart. Okay, you go to the, of course, this daily chart cannot use the overbought signal. Okay, so you just check the price. Okay, you see today price, open price is open price eh, open price is 355, and later you just keep flying, right? Keep flying. Now is 385 already. So if you're intraday, okay, we go to tick chart. We go to tick chart, and we just call out the banker chips here. And you can see no retailer means it will not drop. And at around 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, they got few bankers here to push up the price. Also, got investors ask me, okay, only this 1 hour got bankers, other time no bankers, means that I don't need to do, but why the prices keep flying up, or means the bankers is gone or what? Actually, it's not means the bankers already gone, means that actually bankers not push up the price the whole day, right? He will also choose a right timing to push up the price, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, one day, right? Cannot always do like that. So you just follow. If have bankers, easier for you to entry or make bigger capital gain. So we just call out the trend ladder. Okay, trend ladder here. All the members have this one. You see a red ladder. This ladder is just like the trend expert. Okay, it's just like the trend expert. So it's easier for you to use. And we can see that, okay, this is the uptrend, and then when you turn to green is your sell point for short term, and later on if you turn back red again, go in again, like later, okay, sell, then go back again. Okay, and you can see this yellow line. If all the price stand above the yellow line, just keep holding. For intraday players, you check the tick chart in the PC kit, PC real-time version. Okay, so this member, okay, from Lee, okay, he said, okay, already solved your question, so it didn't down, so you can just keep, no problem. And another one, 7106, okay, also from this member, Supermax. Okay, Supermax, and as we just shared yesterday, and yesterday we can see the bankers keep decreasing for 3 days already. Today, the price is kind of slightly increased. You can see today, like this one, tick chart like this one is also kind of strong open highly, right? And then have a correction, and until 11:40. Okay, this is a time. This is a time in the bottom is the time. Me here. Can you see? This is the time of the candle. So at this time, the candlestick break down the yellow color. So actually for intraday player, you just can take a profit here. Okay. And if for middle long term or for short term, actually, I also shared with you, you go to the 6-minute chart. Okay, let's go to 6-minute chart. And you can find the trend expert. Okay, turn to green, turn to red. Okay, turn to red, 6-minute chart. Today 10 o'clock. Okay, today 10 o'clock. But now the bar becomes smaller, means that the momentum in uptrend is not enough. And I think later, if the tick chart cannot come back, it will turn to green color. Of course, you can also use 30-minute chart if you have a longer term to monitor. And you can see 30-minute chart already turned to green already. Okay, 30-minute chart today. So this one is 12 o'clock. You can see here. Okay, this is the time here. 12 o'clock today, have sell point for short term already. So if you are kind of a medium term, okay, medium long term, because also got the investor to do the middle long term still okay, because daily chart only the bar shows smaller. Okay, only shows smaller means that momentum in uptrend is decreased a little bit, but actually still okay, because bankers, okay, today slightly increased, right? Yesterday is 90%, today is 91%, 1% slightly up, so like this lah, still okay. But actually before, okay, this is a correction. Actually, you can also decrease before as a middle long term. Okay. Next one from J. Okay, from J, you want to check PDJ. Okay, PDJ. Actually, yesterday we also analyzed this one. This share, this is a daily chart. Daily chart already showed this sell point already yesterday. This is a this is daily chart. This is daily chart. Yesterday already showed the sell point, and before to show the sell point, you can see the bankers also kind of keep decreasing. And if you're short term, we go to the 6-minute chart. First time, okay, this is sell point is around this Monday, okay, and you can also sell when you break down the chief line is yesterday 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. So you need to sell earlier, even you are middle long term. You okay, you need to check, and we can take a look about the chart, and we can see that it's kind of correction a lot. You see, bankers keep decreasing now, only 20%, right? Today also only 19%. So bankers keep decreasing. Be careful. You should take your profit earlier. The latest one is yesterday, right? Because this share, I'm not meaning that it finished already, okay? Because it's quite fast this way. But later when the bar turns from green bar to red bar, you can buy back. But now better take a profit, because why? This share is too fast. Okay, too fast. Sometimes, okay, 1 day, 2 day, just drop all the profits you have made before, which is kind of dangerous. So the style of the share determines that you can take a profit earlier. Okay, from Cindy, Panda Master quite strong share in uptrend. Okay, but this one, your entry price is 6.3, because you think the bankers keep increasing, and the trend expert also good, and you play middle long term, actually okay, no problem. And we can see the bankers keep increasing, okay, these days, even today, or around 1%, 2% higher than yesterday. So this share is kind of safe. And I remember I also mentioned this share before in my life diagnosis. It's kind of safe, but not so big up every day, but 3%, 4% every day, very stable in uptrend. So actually, okay now, no problem. But if you entry at 6.3, is kind of chasing high. If the best buy point should be here, right? Best buy point should be here. This is when the first red, okay, when the green turned red, your best entry point is here. Because you said you do medium long term, but I also said if you have missed this buy point, we go to the 60-minute chart. Here have a buy point. This is today. Yeah, today. Let me see. This 60-minute chart. 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. and today have 3%, but momentum for short term is not strong enough, but it's okay, right? It's okay if you do mid long term, still okay. But we can also take a look about the long term of the share Pentamaster. How about the long term? Long term quite strong, right? Long term quite strong in uptrend, and we can also check if got any overbought. Actually, before here have overbought, here have overbought before, and we can see we just draw a line overbought, but actually it didn't break down, right? So still okay, especially your mid long term, still okay because it didn't break down the stop loss of the method here. So now no overbought, still can hold, no problem. And you also asked, okay, if the strong shares still can buy. Actually, this is kind of a strong share. Yes, you can buy like this one, but I don't know if you just follow the 6-minute chart. I'm not meaning every red candle here you can buy. Means that you can always find the smaller time cycle to find the first reds to buy. As I showed just now, 6-minute chart here, you can buy, right? You can buy. Another share is 5286. Okay, MI technology. This share have a very strong overbought here. We go to the weekly chart. We go to the long term now to check. This is a weekly chart. This is kind of a new share. This is a weekly chart, and the weekly chart also quite strong, and with the bankers a lot. The bankers around, let me see, the bankers around 95% in weekly chart, quite strong. This one, MI Nova Innovation. So in the daily chart, okay, in the daily chart also already stand above the line, and here have overbought signal. So you can see that actually after this overbought appeared, I just go sideways here, right? Just go sideways here means that actually here have some resistance. Okay, maybe you ask me, okay, now have the first green red candle yesterday. Okay, should I sell or not? Okay, we see today's chart. 5286. 5286. Okay, today this is a 6-minute chart. Today, this is a daily chart. Okay, today is still in sideways actually, and we know that before we also mentioned that the trend expert is more sensitive in the trend, in the uptrend or downtrend. If it's sideways, maybe it will also turn change the color, but actually it's not so sensitive because it's sideways. So even in the daily chart, it turns to green, but you can see this green color is very thin. Okay, so you know that it's kind of sideways. So every time when you see the bar of trend expert is very thin, you know that it's kind of sideways because momentum in uptrend is not strong, momentum in downtrend also not strong. So it's kind of sideways here. So actually it's no big problem here, and we can see you can also set your stop loss as the half of this big positive candle, but I'm not sure if you are doing mid long term. So but if you didn't buy, you can just wait after this breakout, after this sideways breakout. Okay, more powerful. If you don't know how to check that, you follow the 6-minute chart. 6-minute chart, you wait when the red turns to green and green turns to red again to buy. Okay. And next one from Go Paul Hen, 7080. Pomadu. Pomadu. And okay, his question say that you want to buy kind of bottom area. Okay, now you see another color. The purple color actually is oversold. Okay, oversold means that a lot of people sold this share. So after this oversold signal disappeared, okay, you also draw a line with the last oversold signal. Once this is breakout, actually it's entry price. This is one thing. The other thing, he's already tell me that because kind of have deviation in the mini chart also he want to buy. So actually the buy point actually this day, right? This day because already break out here. And he haven't bought it yet. So we go to mini chart now. And of course we can take a look about the longer term. Longer term. This is the quarterly. Okay, this is a half yearly. Half yearly have deviation, right? Half yearly have deviation. You see price down, but funds inflow already. So quite good, but here have resistance. Now it's rebound again. And this half price is the resistance. It's around 4.8. Okay, around 4.8 still have a lot of space. Actually, no big problem. And we go to the mini chart now, real-time chart now. And today, this is a daily chart. Actually, it's a little bit sideways here, right? Still sideways here. But actually, I think you also can follow, if you do short term, you still can follow this 60-minute chart, no problem. And you wait, okay, wait another buy point. Now it's green color. You just wait. When it turn to red color, actually no big problem. But one thing need to be careful is that the bankers still very less. So you can only resume this one a rebound chance before it really go higher, right? Because we can see this is daily chart. This is daily chart. It's also below the white line, right? It's kind of overbought by points, right? So you can see later it can still going up. Okay, break out this one. Still can hold, no problem. For short term, no problem. Just wait in the 60-minute chart. So Mr. Go Paul. Next one from Maya. Maya Busa. Busa. Warren. He bought Busa. Uh, 32. Oh, and his entry price is 145. Okay, we can take a look about here. His entry point is 145. 145. I don't know the entry price, the reason, but I guess because you are a member. And this day, first day, break up 50%. The bankers. Okay, this day the price is 145. I don't know if you bought this day. So far, still okay, right? Still okay. A little bit. The momentum is not so strong actually. So, but if you do do short term, actually still hold, right? Still hold. And the 60-minute chart also still hold. Okay, no big problem. Okay, Jason. Jason 0060. You said you bought at around 0.085. Around here lah, okay. But this share is not so strong, right? Not so strong. 0060. Okay. So daily chart, okay, it's kind of downtrend, and with the bankers only 24%. So Jason, what's your reason, or what do you want to buy, or got some good news of this share? But so far from the technical pattern, we can also take a look about the long term. Long term of this Voltrex actually not so good. You can see, right? Still in downtrend, not so good. Still keep low, new low, and the bankers haven't come. Long term not good, and the short term and also below the rainbow line have a lot of resistance here by the white lines, by the blue lines. Okay, so not so strong, and also volume loss very high. Volume around 3%. So lah, okay, so you need to wait when this one break out, and you can just follow the trend expert. Also green color, no big chance so far, but you can just draw a line here, as I mentioned, because it's kind of sideways. You can just draw a line. Maybe it's around here also can draw a line, and later if you can break out, okay, then you can go. Okay, you can go, but now no big chance. Okay, we take a look about the comments below the video. Below the video. Yes, hi, Maya, leading age, Australia. This one, word work, it's not my work. Yeah, good afternoon. Tatian, Boone, John, Eric. TDM, Boone. Okay, well, I see one member's name. Okay, I just want to share you. Yeah, yesterday I got one member. He sent me the portfolio. Before I show that, if your first time to view my video, you can, if you want to directly share, you can send your share number and the entry price to 011-1652-7962. Okay. So yesterday have a member have okay take profit from this top glove. Actually, it's good. Oh, am I put it here? Okay, yes, he already, because he kind of yeah, this one 117, right? Quite good. Not bad, right? Not bad. Top glove already take his profits. He still have other one. He still have other share, glove share. I mean, so this one, but he's already because middle short term. So yesterday morning he's already, and also you see today keep dropping to another 2%. So be careful. This is daily chart got this green color before. I also said at least, how to say, take reduce your position. Okay, and later on if it turn red again, you can buy back, but still can consider as correction. If you want to earn more, you just avoid this correction, can reduce or just sell and then buy back again, no problem. Okay, we take a look about the Boon 02054 TDM. TDM enter at the 225. 25. It's around here. Today ma? Is today? So we take a look at this TDM. 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 Okay, it's kind of breakout, and we can see the longer term. Longer term. Longer term, okay, no problem. Okay, you see this is up, just increase after this oversold disappeared, right? So no big problem, but it's still just about to break up the white line, and but the momentum not enough because the bank chips only 36%. Before we said the dark bond is stand above the white line, and with the bankers at least 50%, but actually less than 50. So a little bit slowly. So you see today didn't grow up, right? Didn't grow up. TDM John Ken Maya already tăng Yup. XOX. XOX yesterday breakout. Very good one. I also noted this one is kind of a good pattern, right? Is the breakout today gap up? Okay, gap up another 10%, and your entry price is 0.065. Oh, congratulations! So you make a big one, and yesterday you see the bankers more than 75% at the first day. Today a little bit decreased, but actually the trend is still okay. Still can hold it. So you can hold it here, right? Another 10% gap up because quite strong. So far, it's kind of a negative candle, but it's kind of a faked positive candle, right? Because it's gap up. No entry yet. Anita, Vincent, 5347. This one. Haven't entry yet. All yellow one, you see, all yellow one. Yellow is foreign funds, fast money, okay? Fast speculator. Are you full-time trader? If not, okay, maybe just very slowly for you, okay? Because no bankers. Shuren, 5222, FGV. FGV, oh, yes, the breakout. Seems good pattern. We take a look at today's chart. FGV today slightly up, okay, break up the white line with the bankers increasing, actually kind of a potential one, okay, but after break up here still have some resistance, but so far pattern okay, no problem. You still can buy, no problem. And I think today or yesterday have more buy point ready if you use the Trend Expert, right? Today got a buy point. Okay, today got a buy point. The last one, Alex Ho, HLT 0188 HLT. And before we also shared this glove one is not so strong because the banks keep decreasing. Yesterday, do you remember we only said 2 shares? Oh no, 2 good shares yesterday, K plus and another one. This one is not good one because the banks keep decreasing. Okay, keeps decreasing, not good one. We can take a look about the K plus today. Today also slightly down with the bankers decreasing a little bit. Or be careful because it didn't break out the previous high successfully. The K plus, be careful. Okay, so that's almost all for today's sharing. And if you want to organize your share, just don't forget to send your code number and the enterprise to 011-1652-7962. But if you want to know the whole system of this homely software, we have a preview class for all of you. Members can attend directly, no worry. Non-members, you can attend, sign from me, sign up from me. And their English class is this Sunday, 10 a.m. And the Mandarin version is this Saturday. English version is this Saturday 10 a.m. Mandarin version is this Sunday 2 p.m. Okay, you can just send your name to 011-1652-7962 to attend their preview class, no problem. And yeah, so this is our branch. Actually, we have 3 branches in Malaysia. You can also come to our office to know more details. KL Central, JB Austin High, and the PG Hotel. And this is my contact number. All more details about the homely software subscription. You can also come to me because homely software will have a price up 700 ringgit soon. Okay, so don't forget to contact me. And the more details, okay, we can keep in touch in my WhatsApp. Okay, in my WhatsApp. So thanks for your watching today. And if you think you can benefit a little bit from today's video, please give me a like below the video, and also can share this video to your stock friends. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow Friday. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
说你看头顶岛里的人们，海风拂过椰树，吹散一路的风尘。这里就像与闹市隔绝的又一个世界，让我们疲倦的身体在这里长久的停歇。厦门的时光是我们的时光，大海的波浪放困着我们的向往，山谷里何时会再传来我们的歌声？那一些欢笑已过去，那些往昔会铭记。我们的时光是无忧的时光，精彩的年月不会被什么改写。